Oh God, why? Welcome to potentially what might be one of the most controversial episodes of Will It Shoe that we will ever do. Today we're going to be tearing apart Peppa Pig, beloved children's character, to find out if she will shoe. If you're out of the loop, then Peppa Pig is an animated children's TV series launched in 2004 on Channel 5 and Nick Jr. It follows the escapades of Peppa, as well as her family, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, and George, and other friends and family members. The character and show has become an international sensation, garnering critical acclaim and loads of awards, and Peppa Pig is now seen in more than 200 countries worldwide, with the franchise estimated to be worth $3.8 billion. Good on you, Pig. We have got our hands on a 22-inch stuffed talking version of the character. And we're going to cut her up and make some shoes out of her. So it's time to send Peppa on holiday to the workshop. Hi, Peppa. I feel so bad about this one. I am so nervous about this one. He's just waiting off camera with them taunting me. I don't even... Come on. Oh, Peppa. Okay.
It's like that scene in Seven.
What's in the box? Oh God. Right. Whew. Are you ready? Oh my God. I'm speechless, I'm sorry. Okay. Right, the analytical bit, hang on. So this is Peppa's dress. You've added a bit of leather in. Were you short of material or? Ran out of Peppa. Bit of sort of pebbled leather for the tongue and the. Little bit mucky on the back. Was it a bit of a pain?
Yeah, the glue stuck to it like mad.
Right, like the filling from the nylon jacket. Yeah. Oh God, why? Why?
in my head, I had it coming out like just like a cute shoe that a kid might wear that's Peppa Pig like branded, but instead it's just
It's a monster. We were just talking about what to do for the Halloween episode, but I think we've already done it. Oh, right. I'm sorry, I don't have anything else to say. Please forgive us in the comments. Seriously, please put in the comments that you forgive us for doing this, because I think we need to hear it. Right, bye.